Hey guys, welcome and let's make some Jamaican pepper shrimp. So already we have a quarter cup of oil on the pot getting heated. The other ingredients includes butter, scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, onion, thyme, taste a little seafood spice mix, and 1 to 2 pounds of shrimp. So we're gonna go ahead and add the butter into the pot so we can be able to have that buttery flavor. Yes, guys, we need that buttery flavor when we're making our seafood. So then we're after while the butter is melting, we're gonna add our garlic or onions, the scotch bonnet pepper, and we're not gonna add the thyme at this moment. You'll see at the end when I'm adding the thyme. We don't need to add the thyme at this moment. Right now, we're going to infuse our butter for some delicious butter, spicy butter for our peppered shrimp. We do not want our ingredients to get brown, so we're gonna continue sauteing it on low heat so our butter can be infused with all that deliciousness. Okay, we're gonna continue turning, continue just turning it so the butter can be infused with all the flavors that it's being introduced to, but we don't want it to get burnt, nor do we want it to be brown. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and we are going to add the main ingredient, which is for the main event. We are going to add some shrimp that has some of the seasoning that we spoke about earlier. So we mixed it with some of the Taste a Little seafood mix. It's spicy already, but I love my peppered shrimp spicy, spicy, spicy. So we're gonna add it in the pot and we're gonna just have everything merge and get all of the deliciousness from the natural ingredients that we have added earlier. I'm turning the heat up a little bit higher because before we had it on low. Now we're turning it up to medium. I think it's medium high. Yes, we're going to turn it up to medium high for the pepper shrimp to get nice and crunchy. And we're just going to go ahead and make sure we mix it very well. Okay, we want our colors to come in together and we want everything to merge and just have all that deliciousness from all the ingredients we have put in the pot. We want the colors to come in, but we don't want it to be burnt. And how we get that is by continue turning it while it's being cooked without skipping a beat. I turned it up a little bit higher because I noticed my fire is not that high. So in my spicy, the Taste a Little spicy seafood spice mix, it's paprika, garlic, onion powder, some all-purpose, and then some Scotch bonnet powder. At this moment, our shrimp is being cooked very well. You can see the colors have changed and everything, the colors are coming in and our shrimp is being cooked. It's not overcooked, but we're not undercooking it, all right? So at this moment, we're gonna add half of a lemon squeezed into the previous container of where the shrimp was located previously so we can get all the spices in the pot. We're gonna squeeze that lemon without the seeds. We're gonna remove all the seeds from the plate or from the lemon itself. Squeeze all that juice out, guys. Yes, we want all of it, all of it. Squeeze all the juice out and we're going to just mix it well so we can have all of the seasoning that was in the pot and take out all the seeds. We do not want no seeds in our spicy peppered shrimp. So add your lemon juice in your pot and we're gonna go ahead and just continue turning. We're gonna continue sauteing the shrimp with all of the other spices and everything else in the pot. It gives it a nice acidic flavor that you will enjoy when you eat your shrimp. So as I said, we do not want our shrimp to be burnt. However, we want them to be nice and flavorful. So add a bit more of the spice mix that we talked about earlier, and you will see immediately the color is changing. Immediately the shrimp is getting more reddish, which is the color we want. The spices and everything is so, I wish you can smell my pot right now. It smells so good. Look at that. Look at that Scotch bonnet pepper. I add a bit of water to help the spices to mix in well, for so everything can be able to, to be mixed properly. And I wish you could smell it. I can smell it through my video. It smells so good. We're gonna cover the pot for 2 minutes. And now, before we cover the pot, we're gonna add our thyme. This is the time you add your thyme. That is a tongue twister. This is the time you add your thyme. Yes, guys, let's add our thyme into our pot for it to be sauteed with the shrimp and all the spices. As you can see, our onion and our garlic, they evaporated. They boiled out in our sauce, and that's what we want. We don't want to see them. We want them to boil out. You look in the pot, all you see is the thyme and the Scotch bonnet pepper. Everything else has just gone. So we're covering the pot. We're leaving it on there for 2 minutes covered. And now this is the end of your journey with your Jamaican peppered shrimp. Look at that steam. Look at those shrimp. Oh my God. It's amazing. Go ahead and enjoy your meal. Yes, taste a little Jamaican pepper shrimp. All the spices you need, authentic Jamaican spices with authentic Jamaican ingredients. That Scotch bonnet pepper is everything. That's all you need to make sure your spices are on point. It gives the spices a different kick, and you'll be able to taste everything. Get some of that sauce in there. Get some of that. Look at that. Look at that. Perfectly colored, not burnt. And that flavor is gonna be for real. Look at that shrimp. Look at those shrimps. Amazing. Please check out the recipe that's coming up next. Find us on Facebook, Instagram, and on our website, which is listed on there. Thank you for watching.